Well, hello friends. It's Andreas Batakis here with another Toronto Real Estate Thoughts of the Week. And do I have burning questions and burning answers for you today? The question that I get asked now when the interest rates are going up: when is the best time to sell and when is the best time to buy? Now, surprisingly enough, both those questions actually have the same answer. The best time was yesterday. And I want to make this abundantly clear because, and now you're going to say to me, Andreas, that makes no sense. How is it possible that the best time to actually sell and buy was yesterday? Well, here are my arguments and tell me what you think. Number one, by the way, the next best time is today. So all is not lost. So this is how it works. Let's say that your family was thinking of selling your home, whether it's a house or a condo, it doesn't matter. If the interested buyers that are out there for your condo or house, which you don't have on the market, but let's say that there are people out there that they were interested in buying something like your home or condo, if they didn't have a pre-approval before the latest interest rate hike, they can now officially qualify for a smaller mortgage. So they can only get a smaller, lower amount so that they can offer it and buy your place. Some of these people that didn't go for a pre-approval may not be able to qualify at all now for a mortgage, or if they do, is not enough to buy what they want. So they will just stop looking. So, no matter how you see it, logically speaking, there is now less interested buyers that they can afford lower prices on the market than compared to before the interest rate hike. And now I know what you're going to tell me, but Andreas, what about the people that have a pre-approval in place? Fair point. If someone does have, and there's a lot of people that they have a pre-approval, and if it is for a fixed rate, which naturally would be, then their pre-approval is still in place. Those buyers haven't been affected by the interest rate hike. However, they are on a time crunch and you're still thinking about it. So while you're still thinking whether you're going to be selling your home, those people are on the market because fixed pre-approvals expire within 90 to 120 days usually. So those people, if they got that in place a while back, they're looking to buy something today. They're looking to buy something now before their pre-approval expires. So these are the reasons why it's, in my opinion, if you were contemplating of selling your home, selling it sooner rather than later is to your benefit. Now let's go on the other side, because it's easy to assume, oh Andrea, if that's the case, as buyers we may be better off waiting for a while. Well, hold on a second. If you were a buyer and you never went through the pre-approval process, obviously you can qualify and get a much lower mortgage now compared to before the interest rate hike, and there is probably more coming. So time is not your friend. And if you're saying to me, oh, I'm gonna gather a larger down payment, yeah, that's gonna help, I'm gonna have another 10,000, another 20,000. If it's going to take you another year to get that money, and if rates have gone further up, then it's not going to help you, because again, by the time you have the larger down payment, you qualify for a lower mortgage. So basically, you haven't really gained anything. And then the final part is that if you do have a pre-approval for a fixed mortgage that is still valid, if you don't use it, most lenders, most banks are not going to renew it. So that means that that opportunity is lost and you'll have to requalify. So how is it in your benefit if you're thinking of buying to actually wait? I don't see any benefit, not really. And then this all leads to one final question. What about if you actually want to buy and sell? What do you do first? Do you buy first, then sell, or the other way around? Well, first of all, it's about your comfort level and how comfortable you are with risks as well. And I'll tell you why I say this, because in the past it was very popular that people would buy first and then sell their home, and That was fine because they were getting the price. They had an idea of the price that they were going to get for their home. Sometimes they were getting a better price, so they would have been happier. However, in an environment of rising interest rates, things change week to week. So there is no guarantee that what you could get last week is what you can get this week for your home or for your condo. So, in my opinion, again, I would say that it's more safe to actually sell first, because then you know exactly how much money you're getting, you know exactly when you have to deliver the keys for your old house, and you can plan accordingly so that you can buy the next one and organize your move and all that with comfort and ease. Mind you, you're gonna tell me now, but Andreas, what if I sell my home, my condo, and I don't find something that I like? Well, there's a solution for that too. We can look at, and we do that for every family that we're serving in this transition. We're looking at the market and we're checking to see if there are things that actually match your criteria that is available on the market now, so we get a sense of whether you'll be able to find something after you sell. So, and you can see as well what the prices are for the homes that are selling now, so you can also get a sense of how much the prices are going to be for the places that you'll be looking to buy later after you sell. Listen, we, Nectaria and I, and our team of mortgage brokers, of real estate lawyers, of all the people that we have, of stagers, our prime aim is to do all this in a way that it's easy and comfortable for you. And we want to make it easy, and that's why we're going to work with you to see what is it that you're looking for, what you're thinking of doing, and of course what's your personal circumstances. That's number one. Now, that's all I wanted to share today. Remember to love, like, and share, or leave a comment, or share your thoughts. I'm curious to see how you see the situation. And of course, most importantly, remember to say yes to life every single day, because life deserves to be celebrated daily. See you soon.